Now you know how to make straight duct sections and join them together. However, HVAC duct systems have elbows, transitions, offsets, and other fittings to convey the air to other room outlets. These fittings are easily made utilizing the modular duct construction method. Modular duct construction takes advantage of the finished 48-inch duct sections and makes installation easier by allowing you to fabricate fittings from closed duct sections at the time of duct installation. You will find that the use of modular duct construction enhances productivity by minimizing the number of circumferential joints and simplifying the fabrication of fittings. In addition, the quality of the installation job will be improved. The concept requires that the ducts be installed with the female end of the duct pointing away from the air handling unit. We use shiplap grooving to form the duct because those fittings that require the removal of part of a panel, like elbows, T's, or branch tabs, will end up with a shiplap duct connection. The result is not only a stronger connection, but a better looking fitting, and one that is easier to seal with the approved closure system. With minor exceptions, elbows and T's are designed to be throatless and require the use of turning vanes. You will also see that we take full advantage of the 48-inch duct section to extend the slope of the transitions for better airflow. When we get to the fitting fabrication, you will see how the shiplap grooving makes elbows, T's, offsets, transitions, end caps, and branch tabs easier to fabricate, and how the shiplap duct connection is maintained throughout the whole duct system. Before we get started demonstrating fitting fabrication, let's review a few important fabrication tips. You will hear the demonstrators talk about using tape tabs. There are times that you will make a fitting that may not have a stapling flap. At these times, it is imperative to use tape tabs at the seams and joints. Tape tabs are made from 8-inch lengths of the closure tape and are equally spaced on either side of the joint on 12-inch centers. You need at least one tab per side. You will need a good knife for fabrication of fittings. We recommend the Murphy green-handled shoe knife. Take a few minutes to grind a radius edge on the back side of the knife. You will see why that radius edge is helpful. For fittings that have a tap-out panel, you need to maintain the shiplap edge. Therefore, make sure that the panel that is marked as the tap-out panel has a butt edge and not a shiplap edge. One of the best ways to demonstrate the modular duct construction concept is to begin with a 90-degree elbow fabricated from a finished section of duct.
Original technical solutions. Each workday, more than 2.5 kilometers of fabric ducting is manufactured. The placement and size of the perforations for air distribution is completely flexible. This creates a vast choice of variations and the possibility
Thank you for selecting this highly flexible and versatile Global Flex Semi-Rigid Duct Hookup Kit. The purpose of this short video is to walk you through the various steps necessary to install this product for optimum performance. The expected installation time is approximately 15 minutes. The tools required are two 4-inch worm drive hose clamps and a 5/16" nut driver. It is recommended that two people extend the duct to the required length by gripping each end of the duct and pulling with a slight counterclockwise turn up to a maximum of 8 feet. After extending the duct, ensure the spacing between the last two wires at each end are at least 1 inch apart to allow it to easily fit over the dryer exhaust outlet or the wall outlet. Pre-form a 90-degree bend close to one end of the duct and place the 4-inch hose clamp on the duct. Feed the duct over the exhaust outlet and tighten the clamp. Place the second clamp on the other end of the duct and feed it over the wall outlet until at least 2 wire spacings are over the lip of the outlet, and then tighten the hose clamp. You can now move the dryer into its permanent position. Be sure not to crush the duct, which would restrict airflow, causing lint buildup in the duct or overheating of the dryer. This unique and highly versatile product is also available in 6-inch and 7-inch diameters with the UL 181 rating from selected Home Depot outlets. Now that you've fully installed this semi-rigid duct, you're ready to enjoy the many benefits of this Global Flex product.
This short video demonstrates the installation of semi-rigid duct. It is recommended that two people extend the duct by gripping at least 1 inch of duct at each end and pulling with a slight counterclockwise turn. Extend the duct to the required length, but not greater than the length of duct purchased. In this demonstration, 8 feet. Extend both ends of the duct so that the distance between the first two wires is at least 1 inch. Form a 90-degree angle on one end of the duct. Place a 4-inch worm clamp over the duct. Clamps are not included. Slide the duct with the clamp on all the way over the dryer exhaust and tighten the clamp using a screwdriver or a 5/16" nut driver. Bend the other end of the duct as needed to connect to the outlet pipe. Slide a clamp over the end of the duct. Slide the duct with the clamp on over the wall outlet until at least 2 wire spacings are covering the outlet. Tighten the clamp using a screwdriver or a 5/16" nut driver. Move the dryer back into its permanent position, taking care not to crush the duct against the wall. Dryer installation is complete. These duct installation instructions similarly apply to the installation of bathroom fans and ranges.